This is the CC Me serum because you can CC me on any email about vitamin C.
Hey there, everybody. It's Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection.
Hi, everyone. I'm David, one of the beauty directors here at Sephora. And in today's Beauty Newbie video, we are going to be going over all things vitamin C. What is it? How should you use it? What is it good for? Basically everything. So to start, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from free radical damage that can lead to premature aging. So that's a lot to say.
Yeah.
Let's talk about benefits because that's what people want to know.
That's really what you want to know. And I feel like one of the top benefits of vitamin C that people think about is that it's going to brighten and even out your skin tone. It's really going to give you that glow, which is really beautiful. Another thing it's going to do is add a lot of hydration into your skin, and it's also going to visibly tighten your skin. So it's just a really great overall product to help boost up all of your skincare.
And those are really great benefits to think about. We all want them. I want them.
Yeah.
But you also want to think about when you're using your vitamin C. The best time is actually in the morning because when applied prior to your SPF, it can actually help boost and strengthen your skin from all that damage during the daytime. So one final thing to think about is that vitamin C is a gentle exfoliator. So just be careful when you are using it with other exfoliating acids.
Yeah, if you have a sensitive skin, you always just have to be careful of that. Okay, and the first product we're going to talk about is actually an essence from Ulla Henriksen. So it's not a serum. That's kind of unique for a vitamin C. So this is not only going to visibly brighten your skin, it's also going to double the hydration, and it's just skincare boosting. So it's a great start to your routine. It's really nice and lightweight. You're gonna put a couple of drops in the palm of your hand and then just work it between your hands and press it into your skin. It smells amazing. It smells like oranges. So beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and I love it just because it is so lightweight.
Yes, and lightweight is great from an essence perspective for somebody who has oily skin and wants to incorporate vitamin C but does not want to feel that additional skincare weight. Okay, so up next is from Paula's Choice, and this is the C15 Super Booster. So similar to what Helen was saying, this is not quite a serum. This is sort of in between an essence and a serum.
Got it.
And that it's extremely lightweight and extremely powerful. This is a 15% vitamin C, hence the name C15. So that means it's a high consistency, but it is very lightweight, as you can see, very water-like, and it's a booster. So this is gonna go on and it's gonna have that vitamin C in there. It's gonna have that ferulic acid as well as some vitamin E, which are two ingredients that enhance the benefits of vitamin C. So really you are getting a powerhouse booster. And look how fast it was absorbed into my skin. No residue, just performance ingredients.
I love that. Speaking of products that have an additional ingredient to boost up that vitamin C, this is a Sephora collection vitamin C and E serum. So it's just really great for hydration. It's going to have marine algae peptides in it that are also going to help firm the skin. And this is just a really easy to use serum, and it's only $20, so it's super affordable and it absorbs right away. So I feel like it's an easy thing to add into any skincare routine.
So I know, Helen, you've also told me that Sephora collection serum is really good for people with sensitive skin.
Yes.
And that leads us right into our next product. This is from Summer Fridays. This is the CC Me serum because you can CC me on any email about vitamin C. But what's great about this product is it has that vitamin C in there, but there's also niacinamide, which is a great ingredient that helps your skin just stay calm when there's an active ingredient on it. So this could be a great option for the person out there who's a little nervous about trying vitamin C, but wants to make sure that there's something to make it a little gentler.
Yeah.
And this is a slightly more rich, classic serum formula. So it's also gonna add some really nice boost of hydration into the skin, really making sure you get that gorgeous glow.
Okay, so that really wraps up our vitamin C 101. It is a great ingredient to add into any skincare routine.
Absolutely. And if you would like to see any more of these Beauty Newbie videos from us, let us know in the comment section below what topics you'd like for us to cover. Don't forget to like and subscribe subscribe to the channel so that you can get new videos like this from us every single week. And until next time, put your vitamin C serum on and go out and enjoy your day. We'll see you soon, everyone. Bye.